Before we start today's episode of the Boostly podcast, I have got some exciting news to share with you. For the month of July, I am giving away 1 month trial of the Boostly Content Creator. Now you may be asking, and you may be thinking, well, what is the Boostly Content Creator? Host that I have come into contact with in the 5 years of doing Boostly. And when I say to them, you need to be posting every single day on social media, you need to be emailing your guest and your list, they always say to me, I haven't got the time. And I can't think of a better month to promote the Boostly Content Creator than July, because right now everybody around the world is busy, and they haven't got the time to think about the marketing or the social media or the emails. When in fact, the best time to do marketing is when you're at your busiest, because that means that you always have a pipeline coming through. So I created the Boostly Content Creator for busy hosts. Now, what do you get? Every single month, you get 30 to 40 pieces of fresh social media content that you can use for your social media channels, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You also get video templates, which are designed to stop the scroll on social media, which is really powerful. Email templates designed by expert copywriters that are working so well. Georgina Behrman messaged up in our Facebook group to say that she used one of the email templates and got free bookings, direct bookings instantly, which more than covered the cost. You also now get website headline generator tools, you get a money back guarantee, and you can cancel anytime. The price is only £5 a month. And right now, when you sign up, you go into the boostlycontentcreator.com, you add to your basket. In the coupon code section, you type in July, and you get the first month free. Now that is only available for the month of July. After that, it's £5. If you don't want to continue, you can just cancel at any time, but please make sure that you go and you use the Boostly Content Creator. My goal is in the month of July is to get 1,000 new hosts to register and sign up. This is how powerful I know this tool is, because the email templates in itself are providing a massive return of investment, and I would love for you to come and join. This is for new members only. Just go to boostlycontentcreator.com, add it to your basket, put in coupon code July, and I'll see you on the other side. Right, now we've got that out of the way, let's get on with today's podcast episode. So welcome back to the Boostly podcast. As you will know, I am helping Casa for You in Javier to boost their bookings and doing a Boostly tune-up, or whatever I end up calling it. Yesterday, we had a little look at the listing on Airbnb, and we are still fine-tuning that. But today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you the power of the profile. Now, the profile, you'll be amazed at how many people actually check this out. And what I would stress for everybody to do here is it's really important to get across as soon as possible that you are a business, you are a brand, you are not just doing this as a hobby. So what do I mean by that? Let's go in very quickly and have a look at your next page right here. So this is what it looks like right now. The text, you haven't got an option on this. It has to be bunched together. So you have to make sure that it is as easy to read as possible. So here right now, it's very much a lot about them personally, which is cool. You know, nothing wrong with that. But what we want to do is we want to change it to something like this. So we are Janek and Tim, founders of Casa for You, one of the top-rated property management companies in Javier. To learn more about us, search for our website, Casa for You. So what this instantly gets the user to do is to want to run a Google search and find out more about them. So Casa for You Javier brings up the website right here. That, for anybody wondering, would lead to a direct booking. Then we've got a little bit of personal, which is going to go right here, which is what they had. And then since we live in Javier ourselves, we're always happy to assist you. So that goes to show the user, the future potential guest, that they are on site and they do meet and greets, which is great. A large part, this is one of the big niches of what they do. They do the meet and greet is what I love. Now the profile picture, you've got one or two options. We are testing right now having the logo, but you can also, as a real nice picture of Janek and Tim, to just show that personal touch. It literally is up to you. I feel personally, if you've got a strong statement here that you put into the text that you are one of the top rated property management companies have here, it instantly shows your business so you can get away with a picture. But we're going to test both just to see how it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. So when we hit the refresh button and I come down to look at the property, it will eventually update here. Okay, which is what we wanted, which is fantastic. So again, what I would love everybody to do, go on in and update your profile and get across that you are a business. So mention the business, mention your business brand in the title, in your profile, which you easily do by going to the top and clicking on profile and editing that. Okay, real nice and short and simple one today. Tomorrow, make sure you come back as we delve in a little bit more and give Casa for you a little bit of a Boostly tune-up.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.